Welcome to the Brivo On Air series of videos by Secure Lock and Alarm. This video segment covers the Brivo mobile app. The mobile app allows you to view and suspend or reinstate users, view activity, and remotely unlock doors. You must be set up as a Brivo system administrator to use the mobile app. If you haven't done so already, download the Brivo On Air App. When you open it, you'll be prompted for login credentials. These are the same credentials you use to log into the web portal. If you so choose, right below the Sign In button is a slider switch that will keep you logged into the phone app so you don't have to enter your administrator ID and password each time you want to use it. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see 4 icons. Reading from left to right, you'll see Users, Activity, and Doors. There's also a 4th icon for video, which can be used if you have a cloud-based Eagle Eye camera system, which will be covered in another segment. We'll look at Users first. Tap on the Users icon at the bottom of the screen, and you'll see a list of all the users currently configured in your system. A green dot next to the user's name indicates that that user is active. Tapping on a user's name will present you with their profile. You'll see their name, the access groups they're assigned to, and the cards that have been issued to that user. And there are a few other options. Directly below the user's name, you'll see groups. The groups that user is currently assigned to is shown. Tapping on the edit icon in the upper left corner of the group will allow you to add or delete groups from that user's profile by tapping on the group names to select or deselect them as required. Once you're done, tap back in the top left corner, and that'll take you back to the user's profile. Tapping the back button again will return you to the user list. If you tap on a user's name in the list to go into their profile, toward the bottom of the screen, you'll see a suspend button. Tapping on that button will suspend the user. Suspending a user means that user will no longer have access anywhere, regardless of the groups they're assigned to. At the same time, their profile will remain intact. If a user is suspended, their name will have an orange dot next to their name. Also note that after you tap the suspend button, it changes to reinstate. Tapping the reinstate button at the bottom of the screen will do just that, reinstating that user, restoring all access privileges. For instance, say you have a seasonal employee that works for only 6 months of the year. At the end of their work period, you can suspend them. When they return after 6 months, you can reinstate them, giving them access once again. Again, this just prevents you from having to re-enter their profile and reassigning them cards when they return. Next, we'll look at activity. Tapping on the activity icon at the bottom of the screen will display all activity, showing the date and time of the activity, as well as the user's name and the door the user accessed. If your system is comprised of multiple sites, you can slide the blue banner at the top of the screen that shows the name of the site to select the particular site you want to view activity for. Lastly, we'll look at doors. The Doors feature allows you to remotely unlock doors. The unlock function is a temporary, timed unlock, just as if you swiped a card at the door. For example, if a user contacted you to let you know they were at the door, but they forgot their card and they wanted access to that door, you could use this feature to let them in. Again, it's not a permanent or long-term unlock. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Doors icon. This will display a list of the doors for your site. Simply tap on the door that you want to unlock, then tap the unlock button that appears. The unlock button will turn green, indicating a successful unlock. As with activity, if your system is comprised of multiple sites, you can slide the blue banner at the top of the screen that shows the name of the site to select a particular site with the door you want to unlock. That's the Brivo On Air app. Thank you for watching the Brivo On Air videos by Secure Lock and Alarm.